Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Remember, if you like my videos, make sure you click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Today I'm just going to talk about a K&N air filter that I've recently put on my car. Replaced the ordinary air filter. Now what I would find is that these would block up with dust, dirt, grime, whatever over time, and even though I'd replace them regularly, they would still block up, and then my fuel economy would go up a lot higher than what it did. So I got one of these K&N air filters. Basically I got it because I was planning to go across the Simpson Desert, which is not happening unfortunately due to COVID-19. But I did do a run out to Cobar with it the other day for work. I had to drive to Cobar, so I thought I'll stick it in, I'll run out and just see what it does. Now these are a washable filter, which is the beauty of them. That's why I wanted to take it across the Simpson. I could take stuff with me. If I found some cleaning stuff, I could wash it out, reuse it, saved me having to carry the spare through the bull dust and everything like that. They are a bit more expensive than your normal filter, but they're a bit smaller. So they're supposed to be a high flow air filter. So you can see they're a bit smaller. Now, they don't say on the box anywhere that they will give you better fuel economy. What they do say, and I was reading it here just before, designed to increase horsepower and acceleration. So with that you would kind of think that you would get a better saving on fuel. Now what I found going out to Cobar, did I get a better saving on fuel? No, it didn't change my fuel economy. I run in this, I have the 1HDT factory turbo diesel. I do have a boost T in it that was put in by Total Diesel Care at Tamworth there when they tuned it up for me. They did a great job tuning it up. I run 15 litres per 100. I put the new air cleaner in, hoping that I might get a bit better fuel economy, but still running out to Cobar and back, 8-hour drive from Newcastle, one way, 16 hours back, 600 k's each, 600 odd k's each way. I still ran 15 litres per 100k. The only thing I did notice was, yes, going up hills, I had a bit more horsepower, a bit more power. It didn't seem to drop as quick. It seemed to be able to didn't get that starving sort of sensation where you're trying to go lugging down and having to change gears as much up the hills. Thanks, dog. So, yes, it did improve my power a bit, and pick up power. I seem to notice that it will pick up the power if I want to really put my boot down into it and get out into traffic or something like that. Yes, it did improve it. It is a washable filter, so I'm going to have it for a number of years to come. Would I recommend them? That's a really good question. They're a fair bit extra money. Ask me again, and I might do a review on it again if I need to change it at all. They're a lot extra money, these things here. They're cheap, they're easy, but again, remember I bought this to save on space. It's smaller, it's going to save on space in my car. The wash kit I could pack in the drawers pretty easy, and clean it out wherever I am, rather than going, oh no, my fuel economy is going up through the roof. So guys, look into it for yourself. I didn't get a fuel increase in my car. I'm not saying that it won't for yours. Remember, K&N don't say that it does increase your fuel economy. It just increases horsepower. Check it out for yourself. Guys, get out there. I hope you like my video. Remember to give me the like and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Get out there and have fun 4-wheel driving, guys. See you around.